How to turn on two-step verification on Roblox. What's up everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily enable two-step verification for your Roblox account. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to give this video a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as well. The first thing you need to do is open up your web browser and head over to roblox.com, hit enter, and make sure to log into your account. As you can see on the top right, I am already logged in. And here what you're going to do now is tap on this gear icon to open up your settings menu and then head over to settings. And once you get to settings, on the left side of your screen you'll find different tabs like security, privacy and content maturity, notifications, and everything else. Tap on the security tab, and then from here you'll find the two-step verification right on top. It will add an extra layer of protection to your account with two-step verification login. It will also include account recovery and high value transactions. You can only enable one of the following options at a time. So if you want to set up your authenticator app as your 2FA, that's very secure. And if you want to set up an email, that's all right as well. I recommend you do the email because it's easy to access and you will be able to log in anytime you want. So just tap on this email and toggle this on. And from here, you'll get a verification code on your email. Then you'll just have to enter the 6-digit code. I'm just going to check my email right here. And once you open up your Gmail, you should get the email from Roblox. So here is my code right here. I'm just going to copy this code and then paste it on the Roblox official website. So here, I'm just going to copy this and paste it right here. And once you have done that, you can tap on reset verification because the code has expired. So I'm just going to enter another code. Now Roblox will ask you to enter your password, so go ahead and enter your password for your Roblox right here and then tap on verify. And once you do that, your email two-step verification is now enabled. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found it helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.